Hello, good afternoon, students. Now we are doing the numericals. So our next numerical is sample problem 7. So in this one, which has more number of atoms? What they are asking about the atoms. 100 gram of sodium or 100 gram of iron. Okay, what they are asking about 100 gram sodium or 100 gram iron. This thing they are asking, you can see here. Okay, so what is the atomic mass of sodium is 23, atomic mass of iron is 56. Okay, next. So how the solution is coming as we go according to the formula. So first of all we have to find out here the moles. Okay, so the moles of sodium, mass of sodium upon molar mass of sodium. So what is the molar mass of sodium? Molar mass of sodium we can say as 23. Fine. And what it is given here, 100 gram of sodium is already given. So that 100 gram is the mass of sodium and molar mass, that is 23. That is said to be a atomic mass also. Molar mass we can say as a atomic mass. Right? So it is coming as 100 upon 23 and the answer is coming 4.34. Next is we are asking about the moles of iron. In a moles of iron, again the same formula we are using. In place of sodium we are putting the iron. So 100, in this one also they are asking about the 100. The atomic mass is 56, that is said to be a molar mass, and the answer is coming as 1.78. 1.78. Okay, so we find that 100 grams of sodium contain 4.34 moles of atom, whereas 100 grams of iron contain 1.78 moles of atom. Since 100 gram of sodium has more moles, who having a more moles? Sodium having a more moles, it contains more atoms than 100 grams of iron. So this one having a more moles rather than this iron. Fine. Next question. So in this one question they are asking, if 1 gram of carbon contain X atom, they have not given the value, they have said X. Okay, what will be the number of atoms in 1 gram of magnesium? So they are asking here about a carbon and they are asking here is magnesium. So we should know the atomic mass of it. Carbon is 12 and the magnesium is 24. Fine. Let's see what they are saying. The ratio of atoms in carbon and magnesium will be same as the ratio of their moles. The ratio is same. So first of all we should find out mole of carbon, mole of magnesium. We have to find out their moles now. Okay, so to find out the moles, what we have to do? Mole of carbon is equals to the gram atomic mass of carbon, which we have studied at the back side, and I have said to you that gram atomic mass of carbon is equals to the 1 mole. Back side I have explained these things. Okay, so 1 mole of carbon is equals to the gram atomic mass of carbon. So what is the gram atomic mass? That is 12 gram. Okay, after this, so in 12 grams how many moles are present? 12 grams 1 moles are present. So in 1 gram how many moles are present? In a 1 gram 1 upon 12 moles are present. Okay, now next one about the magnesium. 1 mole of magnesium is equals to the gram atomic mass of magnesium, that is 24 grams. Now 24 grams how many moles are present? 1 mole is present. 1 mole is present in 24. Overall, for a 1 gram how many magnesium is present? For a 1 gram it is present 1 upon 24 moles is present. Okay, we know that 1/12 mole of magnesium contained is equals to X atom. Means this much 1/12, here this one 1/12, this one 1/12, this one 1/24. Okay, they contain X atom. 1/12 contain X atom. 1/24 of magnesium contain. Now we have to find out X into 12/24. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. It is coming X upon 2 atoms. So what we can say? We can say this thing also. 1 gram of carbon contain X atom, then 1 gram of magnesium will be X upon 2 atom. Okay, again I am speaking. Listen it very carefully. I am saying 1 gram of carbon contain X atom. After find out this thing, then 1 gram of magnesium contain X upon 2 atom. Okay, clear? So these things you have to write it in your copy. Understood? Next question. Now, next question we are going to do on the problem based on moles of molecules. Okay, so 1 mole of molecules is equals to gram molecular mass. 1 mole of molecules is equals to 6.022. Same we are doing in atomic mass, na? So in this one only the changes are there about the atomic mass and the molar mass. Here gram molecular mass is equals to 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. Fine. These are the formulas. Let's see now first problem. What is the mass of each one of the following? Here 1 mole of water. H atomic mass is 1. Oxygen atomic mass is 16. Fine. So how we have to find out? I am going to write down here. Please see it very nicely, clearly you can. This is H2O. Fine. 2 into H plus O. Okay. Now we have to write their masses. 2 into 1 plus 16 is equals to 18 grams. This is about the water. First one. Second question they are asking me, second part they are asking about the ethanol. Ethanol, the formula is C2H6O. Okay, let's start. 2 into C plus 6 into H plus 1 into O. Okay, carbon 2 into 12 plus 6 into 1 plus 1 into 16. These are the atomic masses. It is coming as 24 plus 6 ones are 6 plus 60. It comes as 46 grams. Understood? It comes as 46 grams. Next we are doing third part. Third part is asking about glucose. So the glucose formula is C6H12O6, 6 into C plus 12 into H plus 6 into O. Okay. Carbon 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 60. Values I have put it. 12 6 are 72 plus 12 ones are 12 plus 16 6 are 96. overall it is coming as 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0 here. 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 80. 180 grams. Okay, beta. Next one we are talking about sugar cane. Fourth one we are talking about sugar cane. For sugar cane we are writing as cane sugar. That is said to be a sucrose. Okay. Its formula is C12H22O11. 12 into C plus 22 into H plus 11 into O. 12 into 12 plus, so 12 into 12 plus 22 into hydrogen 1 plus 11 into 16. Okay, so 12 12s are 144. It's coming as 22 plus 11 into 16. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 6 7 1. It comes as 176. 4 5 6 6 12. 4 5 6 7 7 14. 4 1 1 2 3. 342 grams. It is coming. So these are the grams. Okay. These are the values which I have find out of 4. Some more examples I will give to you. Okay, so this thing you have to write it in your copy. Now let's see here now sample problem 1. So question is this one. This one is the question and the solution I have given to you. That one solution you can write down. Question number 2. It is same as before we have done, na? In that one we are doing the atomic masses and this one we are doing the molecules. So here convert 22 grams of carbon dioxide into moles. Carbon dioxide CO2 22 grams. Okay. So carbon they have given the mass 12U, oxygen given the mass 16. Same pattern we are using. 1 mole of CO2, C plus O into 2. C means 12, oxygen 16 into 2. 16 to the 32, 12 it is coming as 44 grams. Okay. Now 44 grams of carbon contain a 1 mole. 44 grams contain a 1 mole. So 22 grams contain how many moles? 22 grams of carbon dioxide contain 1 upon 44 into 22 moles. Okay. While cutting here 2, it is coming as 1 upon 2 and said to be a 0.5 mole. Okay. Other way when we are doing, we are putting these formulas also directly we can do. At backside also we have done this thing. We are putting the formula number of moles of molecules, mass of substance upon gram molecular mass. Mass is given as 22, this one, and gram molecular mass, that is 44, which is coming from here. And the answer is coming this one. Same way we can use this one also. Fine. Now next one, sample problem. What is the mass of 0.5 mole of water? H at molecular mass, atomic mass is 1, oxygen 16. As before I have explained to you, for H2O it is coming as 18 grams. Okay. Now they are asking here what is the mass of 0.5 mole. So listen it very carefully. 1 mole of water contain 18 grams. Okay, 1 mole of water contain 18 grams. So 0.5 moles contain how many? at that time we have to multiply. Let's see here. Mass of 1 mole of water contain 18 grams, which we have find out. 0.5, 18 into 0.5, it is coming as 9 grams. Okay. Next is, what is the number of molecules in 0.25 moles of oxygen? What is the number of molecules in 0.25 moles of oxygen? Number of molecules they are asking. Now beta, for the shortcut method I have said also before that if point is coming, for that it means you are using the value of 6.022. So 1 mole of oxygen, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, means 1 mole contain this much molecules. 0.25 contain how much molecules? Multiplying by this, and it is coming as this much molecules. 1.505 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Till here you can write it in your copies and complete your homework. Okay. Next, in a next turn we will do the next questions. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.